Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Arizona Dreams. We've mentioned things to be aware of in the heat. And today it's the official hottest day of the year this year, 116 for the high. So I'm outside with some chocolate chip cookie dough on a cookie sheet and my car. And I've told you guys that it gets hot and you got to be aware of this for your kids and for your pets and all that good stuff. So what we're going to try to do is going to put this guy in here, right up on this dash, sitting in the sun. And we're going to see if we can bake some cookies. Normally, cookies take about 15 minutes. That's at 350. They say it's 20 to 30 degrees hotter in the car, so I'm going to guess that this will take at least an hour. We'll see you then. And the current temperature now is 114. As I said, today we tied the record for this day of 116, and it's also the hottest day this year thus far. And you can see that they've flattened out just like a cookie would in the oven. And I expect that we'll let it go until the sun's about to go down. We started this kind of late, so we're not even in the peak of the heat. And they're baking along just fine inside the car. We'll check back at it probably right before sundown, maybe a little before. It's now been about 2 hours, plus or minus, and we've got varying reports on temperatures as high as 116 while we started this, and as low as 113. So between 113 and 116. You can see that they have definitely cooked down. They're still, actually, they're real close to being done. So I would imagine if we had started this an hour earlier, these would be baked just like you came out of the oven. We'll take them inside and see what happens. We're inside now because, frankly, it's hot outside, so brought them in. And I just wanted to show you, again, this was a 2-hour cook, and they're actually pretty much done. Like I said, if I'd have let them sit out there for the full time, they're still doughy, but they're cooked. And imagine what that would be for a kid or a pet. This is the risk. 116 degrees, you get the idea. And again, you can bake a cookie. Just to show you, it is real. It's doughy, but it's good. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video. When you subscribe, ring the bell so that you get the alerts. Otherwise, take care.